All students be ready to start.
Welcome back again, grade 5. Let's continue our question. This one in this example, if he tells me 5,600,000 and he gives you array and minus 400,000. We can put them over themselves and regroup them and then add, or we can subtract them without regroup them. I have here three zeros and here three zeros. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So write three zeros. 1, 2, 3. Then comma because we finished the period of ones. I have here 400 and here 600. We can bring two zeros and ask myself 6 minus 4 x than 2. Then comma. And the 5 only without adding or subtracting. So bring down 5. How can we read this number? 5. Here 5,200,000 only. 5,200,000 because I have no numbers in ones. The second question. 4,700,000 minus 800. We must regroup them because we have here borrowing. 4,700,000 minus 800. Bring it down the first 5 zeros. One, two, three, then comma. 1. Can I subtract 7 minus 8? Can't be, so we must borrow 1 from the next place value. Cancel the 4 and change it to 3. Then add 10 to 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8, you can count from 8 to 17, 9. Then comma, and bring down 3. So my number, 3,900,000. Here 9 millions minus 1,500,000. We must regroup it because we have here borrowing. Write the greatest number up and the smallest number down. The first 3 zeros minus the first 3 zeros, the period of ones has no numbers, and the 2 zeros minus 2 zeros. Then 4 minus 5 can't be, so we must for 1. 9, change it to 8, and the 4 plus 10 becomes 14. 14 minus 5 gives me 9, and here 8 minus 1 becomes 7. So my number 7,900,000. I hope you understand this part. Let's move to the next question. This one, you have here 6,200,000. It becomes 6,700,000. So we add what? To know what we add, we must subtract the large number minus the small number. 3 zeros minus 3 zeros. Okay, very good. Bring down 3 zeros and come. 2 zeros minus 2 zeros. Excellent. If I tell you 7 minus 2, very good, becomes 5. And 6 minus 6 cancels. So I add here 500,000. This one I have here 5 millions and here 4,850,000. 5 millions minus 4,850,000. we must regroup them. My first three zeros and 0. Can we here subtract 0 minus 5? No, so we must borrow. But if I go to borrow here, I have also 0. So borrow to the next place value. 5 changed to 4. And this number in the 100,000 becomes 10. And then borrow from him 1 to the number in the 10,000. So 10 becomes 9. And this one becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. And 9 minus 8, 1. So when we add 150,000 to 4,850,000, it becomes 5 million. So I add here 150,000. Let's continue again. If he tells me the rounding, what's the meaning of rounding? To round, I have 5 numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 5 numbers is the poor numbers. They can give me anything. And I have another numbers is rich numbers, which is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9. He tells me in this question, write the digit in the 100 place. Which number in 106? And here count from the right 1, 2, 3, 2, and that's it. In the next question, he tells me write the digit in the thousands place, here 9. This one, round each of the number to nearest hundreds. How can we round to nearest hundred? First, look at the number in hundred. Which number here in 100? Excellent, 5. And look at the number before 5. 8. 8 is poor number or rich number? 8 is rich number. So he gives 1 to the 5. So over 5, right, plus 1. And cancel 8 and put 0. Cancel 6 and put 0. And write the numbers from the right to left. 0, 0. And 5 plus 1, very good, becomes 6. And then comma, and here 4. The next question, I have here 2 in hundreds. Before 2, I have 4. 4 is poor number or rich number? 4, 4, 4. Very good. 4 is poor number. So cancel the 4 by 0. And any number before 4 cancelled also by 0. So right here 0, and 0, and here 2, then comma, and here 6. Here he tells me look at the number line, then complete the sentence and round each of the number to nearest thousand. To nearest what? To nearest thousand. So the number of thousands can be changed or still like himself. Here I have 7,600. 7,600. You can round this question like what? I have here a supermarket and here a supermarket. And I am live here in this house. Which is the nearest supermarket to me? Look at this, how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So choose the nearest supermarket. So 7,600 is nearer to 8,000. Then the other supermarket, excellent, 7,000. So 7,600 is nearest to 1,000, 8,000. This one, 5,000, and here 6,000, and here 5,050. Remember. 5 is poor number or rich number. The number is 1,000 is 5, and before 5 I have also 5. 5, 5, 5. Excellent. 5 is rich number, so he gives 1 to 6, or gives me one hand or one step to go to this supermarket nearest to this. So 5,500 is halfway between 5,000 and 6,000. So it rounded to nearest 1,000 is 6,000. Because if I walk all this way, I will go back again or continue to go this supermarket. Continue to 6,000. Round each number to the nearest 1,000. Which number in 1,000 here? Number 15. 7. Very good. Before 7 I have 9. 9 is poor or rich, poor or rich, poor or rich. Excellent. 9 is rich number. So add 1 to 7. Then cancel the 9 and any number before 9 by zeros. I have 3 numbers, so write 3 zeros. Then common 7 plus 1, 8. In this one, he tells me use front-end estimation with adjustment to estimate the difference. What's the meaning of front-end estimation? Front-end estimation meaning put the number in the left-hand side 5 and any number after them by 0. So 5,000 minus 3,000 gives me what? 2,000. Very good. Here 7,000 minus 5,000. Very good. 2,000. Here's again. He gives me 6,239 times 7, and he tells me 6,239 rounds to before 6 I have 2, and 2 is poor number, so 6,239 rounded to 6,000. 6,000 times 7. Bring down the first 3 zeros, and then 6 times 7, 42. Very good. So 6,239 times 7 is about 242,000 by rounding, not exactly. This one, 2,506, rounded to 5 is rich number, so rounded to 3,000. 3,000 times 8, bring down the first 3 zeros, and the 3 times 8, 24. So it rounded to, or it's about 24,000. I hope you understand what we say today, and see you in the next one, and follow us in Facebook, Math Airlines. Thank you. Goodbye.